Fogo Island is a truly amazing otherworldly place. It's just incredible to visit. It was discovered in 1460 by the Portuguese, who named it Fogo, which is the Portuguese name for fire, a name that's well deserved. The volcano on Fogo Island erupts frequently, the latest being in 2014-15. This eruption started on the 23rd of November 14 and lasted until early February 15. It spread about 3 kilometres, the lava did, and that meant that it obliterated the vast bulk of the houses that were in the caldera. Most of the 1,000 population were evacuated, and they gradually started returning in 2016. Houses and hotels were rebuilt, and it is therefore possible to stay in the caldera and climb Pico Fogo, which is the highest point in Cape Verde, and you can also visit the site of the 2014-15 eruption. It was really quite amazing to look at the houses being constructed and on top of the lava, and to look at what happened. I mean, you just saw there a house that had lava flowing through half of it, the other half was clear, and people were actually living in the half that was clear, which I just found quite incredible. So we stayed 2 nights in the caldera, and we in a little kind of round building which was part of the Hotel Mariska. On the middle day we climbed Pico Fogo, the highest point. That was quite an amazing journey. It takes you about 3 hours or more to climb to the top of the mountain, which is actually an active volcano. The descent, on the other hand, takes about 20 minutes. You get to this point where you're in this amazing black volcanic ash, and you basically ski run down it, which was just such excellent fun. It was one of the best ski runs I've ever had, and certainly the very best for a very long time. And it actually takes you right down to the site of the 2014-15 volcanic eruption, which you can now see. You can also see the walls of the original volcano. So what you're actually experiencing is being in the middle of this kind of circle, or almost circle of a volcano, and then you come across smaller sort of eruptions, and you can smell a little bit of the sulphur, etc. The eastern side of the volcano collapsed into the sea about 73,000 years ago, and so therefore it's possible to walk from the caldera down to the coast, which is what we did, and that was really good fun as well. I should say that the caldera is actually very fertile, and they have a winery in the caldera. I don't think it creates huge quantities of wine, so I don't think there's much exported. However, you can actually drink local wine while you're sitting in your hotel on the top of the lava flow. So when we completed the walk down to the coast, we were picked up by taxi, and the taxi driver took us along the coastline so that we could explore some of the other beautiful aspects of Fogo Island. He stopped at various places en route to let us see the sea and to etc. So although the highlight of the trip to the island is obviously the caldera, and for me climbing the highest point in Cape Verde, there are other things to see in Fogo, and it's a place well worth a visit.